I've been getting some questions since I made this little video right here. 63.6 million views 3 days ago. What's that like? Well, it's like you're in the middle of the ocean floating around on a buoy with a bloody nose, and every couple of seconds a little blood squirts out of your face and into the fucking water, and the sharks are swimming by going, "Hey man, you're injured. Hop in, I'll take you to safety." A lot of these companies have actually messaged me like before asking for videos, and I usually just ignore them. But when you have a video get 60 million views, they go crazy. They keep messaging me. A media partner, blah, 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 blah. We're looking to promote, monetize, and distribute your video. We'll give you a 50-50 ad revenue split. That's really nice of you. Shit. I'm gonna make a lot of money, I bet, huh? So I have to trust what you say the video made. You'll pay me whatever it is, right? You'll be honest with me about that? The video could make $30,000 and you could decide to give me $5. But that would be nice of you if you gave out $5. What would really happen is I would sign the video rights over to you and I would never hear from you again. That's how it works. Hey, hope you're well. I posted your TikTok, blah, 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 and credited you, blah, blah, blah. Please let me know if that's all right. And then, by the way, did you sign this video? Hey, motherfucker. What? Please delete the video, thank you. And he did, to his credit, he deleted it so fast. Did you throw an ad on there? Why'd you delete the video so fast? You're like the only company that did it. Hey, we want to post this. To keep it posted, we need you to send it through this link. Permission. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate you being honest and not offering me any fucking money that you're not going to give me. That's nice. So, just a tag from the Lad Bible. Fucking blah, 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 blah. Social media. Hey, man. If you have a viral video, keep it. Don't sign it over to these people.